Hey everybody, it's Tim, and before I start, I just want to say, as my, it's a little embarrassing. As much as I've been pushing Slope Talk, we've hit some rough waters on it today, and let me explain why. It's basically a memory issue, and I'm not too upset about it because, on the one hand, well, I mean, first of all, it's just kind of a fun page. And not exactly mission critical. But the other more important thing is that one of the reasons I've really taken in stride any hiccups we've had during Slope Talk development is because it has really helped us uncover fundamental problems and areas of improvement for the site in general. And so we are in vastly better shape than we are now. I mean, like I said the other day, we could literally delete the Slope Talk page completely and I'd still be happy with where we're at because we've got the guts so much improved. Having said all that, we are tackling a memory issue right now, which is kind of in the same spirit, and we'll get through it. But for those of you who couldn't get to Slope Talk today, forgive me, we'll fix it. And the good news is that the foundation is getting better all the time. So having said that, I just want to talk a bit about the market. Please be warned / notify that Bear Force 1 flies tomorrow. I'll be kind of in front of my screen until about 11 in the morning my time, but I'll be getting kind of wispy for the balance of the day, and then I'll be back settled in to the Slope of Hope East, I guess, for next week. But anyway, earlier today, I'd made mention about the small caps, and I specifically said, look out for 1916, excuse me, on the RTY. And wouldn't you know it, today we got down to 1915.3. Not bad, huh? We found some support there. Now, that's a little scary because today's tumble, which is very welcome, may be a little more than, just another setup for our bullish friends. Because if I were a bull, I'd be kind of excited about what I see right here, because what we've got is a very, very well-formed bullish base, and we have unwound some of the froth, and we tested the base successfully. So as of this moment, this is looking pretty good. I've got a secret for you. I'm not a bull. I'm actually a bear, and therefore, what I would like to see is a failure of this line. So we shall see. Tuesday, of course, is the big day, Tuesday morning. So we really only have 2 trading days left between now and whatever result the CPI produces. And it's going to be kind of poetic for me, I guess, in a way, because everything changed on October 13. And I was in North Carolina on October 13. I remember it well. I was walking Rolo at the time. And so we've had November, December, January, February. So precisely 4 months will have transpired. I'll be back to the exact same spot. And I hope we can sort of undo that brutal memory of that horrible day, which really kicked off a 4-month bacchanalia for the bulls. Anyway, so nice to have a hard fall today, but it's at a very important level here for our dear, dear bullish friends. On the ES, it's more favorable to the Earth sign set because our old Fibonacci buddy here has done an excellent job holding back their challenges. But on the whole, we have been just kind of just easing up, higher highs, higher lows all this time. What I'm looking for, of course, is a cessation of this nonsense. And to at least have us travel back to horrendously strong support down here around 3,800. On the NQ side of things, it's been a little weaker, relatively speaking. As you can see, it peaked here, and each lunge after that didn't quite get as high as the prior one. This is also a Fibonacci situation, which has held back prices. And we had a nice tumble today. Nothing dramatic, but boy, it felt good, because the beauty of today was that it was steady, down, down, down we go. We had little wiggles along the way, but this is beautiful. Nice little waterfall, just like so. So that was pretty. And I'll also gotta just beat this dead horse into glue. This was thrilling because Tesla got just above my target. The target precisely is 213.15. It peaked above it, and it peaked above it again, although less so. And then we began this lovely drop down here. And it actually managed to stay above 200 all day long, but it had about a $10 reversal, tip to tail. And this, how many times have I said, if Tesla falls, everything falls? God willing, today marked the end of this horrifically shocking bounce. And goodness gracious me, just look at that candlestick. Is that a thing of beauty or what? So I'll just go on the record, as I did on the Tasty Trade show. My view is that this is the top for Tesla, and therefore the top for equities in general. And if this sumbitch just keeps going, wee, well, forget it. I'm wrong. But as it is now, as of this moment, things are looking pretty good. So I'll end it there. See you later.